Hi, have you ever wondered why you need to use a separate product in cleaning your intimate area? If you have been, then you're in luck because that's what I'm going to talk about today. Now, first things first, what you need to remember is that the genital area or the skin of the genital area is very, very sensitive, and it reacts even to the slightest irritation. Okay. Next thing you need to remember, when cleaning your intimate area, you're also actually affecting the health of the vagina. Now, the vagina is actually composed of different kinds of organisms living together, working together to keep the vagina healthy. And usually, the vaginal health is maintained by an acidic pH. So this ecosystem actually is very fragile and needs to be protected. And so what you need to do is actually to be able to find a product that will be mild and at the same time very effective in protecting you. Washing with just water is not enough in making sure that your intimate area is actually kept in tip-top shape. Using soaps and shower gels will also not be good because these products are too aggressive or too strong for the intimate area. So what do you need? You need to actually find intimate washes or feminine washes that will actually work for you. Now, there are a lot of products available in the market like Gynapro, Naflora, Betadine, and pH Care, and Lactacid. Okay, and all these products are very, very effective. However, like perfumes, okay, not all products will actually work well with you. So you need to find a product that actually is your perfect match. So how do you do this? You can actually sample the different brands of feminine washes and see what actually works for you. So what are the things that you need to look for? You need to first make sure that the feminine wash does not cause more irritation or does not cause any tingling or irritated feeling down there every time you wash. Next, you also need to make sure that when you wash, it maintains actually a good smell. Diba the last thing we want is, alam mo yung parang you're not even in the middle of the day but you feel like you smell kind of musty already, diba? So that's actually one of the pet peeves of Filipino women or women in general. You don't like smelling yourself and being conscious that the people or the person next to you can smell you. Also very important that when to take note that when you wash actually with the specific feminine wash that you are using, that it doesn't cause any itchiness. So when your vagina is healthy, when your intimate area is healthy, you don't feel all these symptoms. There are two types of feminine washes, okay? One is a feminine wash that you can use daily, and the other is a feminine wash that is used for specific days, like red days or during menstruation, and when you have infection. The one actually that you use for infection and red days are the ones containing chlorhexidine. And the other types of feminine washes that you can use daily are the ones with chamomile and the ones with tea tree oil, okay, and milder actually ingredients. So it's better to actually also check the label, or you can actually talk to your OBGYN about the best feminine wash choice for you. And once you find the right match, stick to that already. Stop switching from one product to the other so that you make sure that you don't cause any havoc in the vaginal area or in the vaginal ecosystem. So again, it's very important that you keep your intimate area healthy so that you are very healthy. So choosing the right feminine wash is the number one step. Okay, so that's it. I hope this was very helpful and very informative. So thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye-bye!
And for more videos and updates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.